Hi folks, let's start creating our own landing page using AI in GetResponse. In the GetResponse dashboard, click on the Create Landing Page button. As with the newsletter, you have two options for creating landing pages, using a ready-made template or using an AI-powered builder. Let's create our first landing page with the help of AI. What field do you work in? Specify in this empty field. As for me, I want to continue my coffee shop story, so this will be the topic of my landing page. What is your product or service about? Write a detailed description so that the AI feature produces the best result. Next, be ready to add additional elements to your landing page. You can select and deselect different elements. I recommend selecting testimonials and frequently asked questions for the page. If you use cookies to process personal data or track website visitors, don't forget to include a cookie banner. Its presence is critical for complying with laws such as GDPR. Once you are done with everything, proceed to the next step. Now it's time for AI to add some color. There is a possibility to choose the ready color variants for the landing page. However, if these colors are not suitable for your brand, you can upload your logo to match the style or your business. Let's see how this works. AI-generated colors are interesting to me. Let's try this one. During the next step, specify your company details and move forward to the actual landing page generation. And here we are. The AI tool generated 3 landing pages that slightly match one another. We will continue with this variant. And voila! AI created a landing page for us. It was pretty simple engagement and didn't take a lot of time. However, now our task is to adjust this page to our needs and preferences. For example, I prefer to change some colors on this page to make it more readable for customers. This can be done with ease by clicking on the Global Design section. I like our color palette more. Now we can scroll down to adjust the size of the headings, for instance. Next, change the font for our landing page. Moreover, we can adjust text fonts, sizes, alignments, and much more by simply clicking on the next box. As we did when creating a newsletter, we can work with every page element by moving it, copying it, or deleting it. Your button is one of the most important elements in email marketing. It should be eye-catching and colorful to grab the attention of your audience. Moreover, you need to place a call to action on the button to encourage visitors to your landing page to click on it. Let's name our button Buy Now. If necessary, you can add even more elements to your landing page. Be creative and try to make your landing page attractive and unique. And out-of-the-box email marketing strategy may help you obtain loyal customers for years to come. Last but not least, to finish our landing page creation, go to the Manage Page section. Once your customer has left their contact information, by filling out a subscription form, your task is to thank them. That's why the thank you page exists. Keep this page simple. However, never forget to add some value to it. Use this opportunity to remind people about the price, discounts, etc. The Not Found page is useful in case visitors face some issues opening your content. In this case, use this page to redirect your visitors back to your website or landing page, for example. As for me, my AI-generated landing page looks pretty good. To proceed, you can click on the Continue button at the top of the page. Here, you can name your landing page, contact links preferences, favicon adjustments, and cookie banner. You can even track your analytics in GetResponse chats, landing page statistics, or by connecting to your Google Analytics account, Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, and more. Check your business information once again and continue. On this page, you can choose a name and domain if you have your own domain. You can connect it, but for this lesson, I'm going to use a free response domain name and click Publish. And here we are. we've created our first AI-generated landing page together. Go ahead and try it yourself. And then let me know how this experience was for you. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the Q&A section. See you soon!